It's Thelisha with Where Baking and Crafting Meet, and I'm back. In today's video, I'll be answering a request by Miss Sonia of Artsy Solutions. I take this as a challenge because I'm not a journaler, and it took me a while to come up with this. I was going to finish the big journal before taking on this one, but I would have been more lost in a big journal than this small one. I didn't record the making of this journal, but it's the same type as the Autumn's Breeze journal from 2022. This one is made with unrolled cardboard and covered with acrylic paint using my gel press. For those that ask what rolled cardboard is, it's cardboard that I run through my die-cut machine to flatten it out. I wanted my pages to stay thick, so I didn't roll it. I normally roll for ephemera and smaller pieces to reduce bulk. To hold everything together, I use 2-inch binder rings. Oh yeah, I also made a pen holder. Both flowers in this video were made during the relaxation session coming up this Friday. If you'd like to join me for a relaxation session, head over to Patreon and sign up. Anyway, I didn't know what I was going to do with this layout until I decided to put the sunflower on the front. I thought about flowers, growth, and where I am today. The people I met over time, those I've grown with and grew apart. Even being prepared with all the pieces, I still couldn't make up my mind on where I wanted everything to go. I was so determined to get the word bloom and the definition on there that I almost stopped the video until I figured it out. If you're still watching, do you feel you've grown in your creativity over the last 5 years? Have you learned anything new? Left some things behind? Can anyone tell me what looks familiar in this book? It's nearly identical to something I made before. Tell me in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.